My name is Björn Gustafsson and I'm Managing Director of Manroland Nordic. I'm responsible for our business activities in Sweden, Denmark and Norway. Close to 1 year ago, early 2015, we sat in discussions with our customer Tellogruppen in Söderköping. They were seeking for an alternative to make their printing process more effective, mostly regarding two issues. They wanted to get the drying process as close as possible to zero, and they also wanted to achieve better printing quality, especially on coated paper. After some discussions, we realized that we were talking about a LED UV upgrade.
When we invested in our Manroland 700 high print offset press for about 6 years ago, it was a huge step for us in quality. And then we started to think, what can we do more to enhance our quality even more? We looked into the LED UV and said that's what we're going for, because it enhanced our quality and it was big environmental aspects as well.
When you choose to install LED UV, you achieve the benefits about drying. The drying time will come close to zero, and also a very much improved printing quality, especially on coated paper.
One of the many benefits of using LED UV is that the sheet is completely dry when it comes out, so it can go to post-press and be processed right away. Another benefit is that it uses no powder, so it's very good for the environment.
So what is LED UV? LED UV is a technique where you send out light from a UV lamp, and when this light hits the ink cures directly. If you use traditional light on UV ink, nothing will happen. When we installed the press in Söderköping some weeks ago, we placed LED UV ink at their production site, and nothing regarding curing happened during these weeks when the ink was all in traditional production light. So to have the ink to cure, you need that it faces this LED UV in a special spectra, and when the light hits the ink in this spectra, the ink is curing. If you choose to make this upgrade with LED UV, the installation time is quite short.
The installation took about a week, and we did it before our Christmas holiday. So we left the new ink in and went home and closed the factory for about 2 weeks. And when we came back, it was just to start print like nothing had happened. These are amongst the two things that we printed first. This is printed on non-coated paper, and this is printed on a coated paper. And this is probably one of the best things we ever printed. Like for this, for example, it looks like it's being coated, but it's not. And one of the big things is that when you feel the paper, you feel there's no powder on it, which is really, really good. And on this one, you can see that the color black is really, really black, which was something that we didn't think was before when you printed offset. We think that the color black was like more grayish, but now it's really, really black.
A couple of weeks after installation, Tellogruppen of course wanted to tell the market about their new capacity, and the reaction from the customer side was extremely positive. They can now deliver finished products much quicker than before due to the decrease of lead time. Also, the printing quality meets all the requirements from their existing customer base. Of course, they will also be able to attract new customers to make more business.